Hello children, welcome back. Today we are going to practice reading sentences. In this video, we are going to read about vehicles. So are you ready? Let's start. I am a van. I have 4 wheels. I am very spacious. I love to go on vacations. I am an ambulance. People call me when they need help. I have flashing light and siren. I carry people to the hospital. I am an airplane. I am very fast. I carry passengers from city to city. I land at airport. I am a car. I have 4 wheels. I am very useful. I take people to work. I am a train. I have a bell and a loud whistle too. I can carry lots of people and things. My wheels roll only on rails. I am a motorcycle. I have 2 wheels and a motor. I am faster than bicycle. Do not forget your helmet. I am a bicycle. I have a bell. I have no motor. You can ride on me. I am a bus. I carry lots of people. I pick them up and drop them off. I travel from city to city. I am a sailboat. I have no wheels or motor. The wind makes me move. You can sail me on a little pond. I am a tractor. I am simple and very strong. I do jobs around the farm. I help farmers to grow crops. I am a fire truck. I am painted red and white. I have a siren and flashing lights. I help to put out the fire. I am a school bus. I am painted brilliant yellow. I have wheels and many seats. I can carry dozens of children. I am an auto. I am very common transport. I am used in cities for short distance. I have 3 wheels. I am mostly in yellow and black color. Police car. I am a motor vehicle used by police. I am used for patrolling. I have a rooftop with flashing lights and a siren. I am a scooter. I have a headlight and tail light. I come in various colors. I run on petrol. Tow vehicle. I am used to transport vehicles that cannot move under their power. I am different from car carrier trailer. I have a special equipment for pulling a vehicle. Garbage truck. I am made to collect waste. I take the waste to the waste site for recycling. I help in keeping the city clean. Tonga. I am a cart driven by horse. I am used for transportation in villages. I have wooden wheels. Helicopter. I am a kind of aircraft. I can fly straight up. I have wings that makes me move. I do not need runway to take off or to land.